Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to make a cabbage pakoda. Let's get started and check out the recipe. So here I have cabbage, cut it like this and wash thoroughly. So here is some more ingredients we need to add. Some chopped onion. You can add actually full. And then some chopped green chili, some chopped cilantro, and then here I have some ajwain, so you can see it's just 1 teaspoon, and then some cumin seeds. And then we have to add some, of course, 1 to 2 teaspoon or as per taste, salt. Then here I have, this is semolina, so I'm going to add like 2 to 3 tablespoon. Then flour or ground flour, you can add a good amount or just adjust this with cabbage, and we are going to make a nice thin batter kind of. So with the help of hand you need to just mix this like this, and then add little water, just little bit. So look at this, our pakoda batter is ready. Now take a pan, and I have like added already oil, and let me check it's hot enough to fry our pakoda. Look at this, this is perfect temperature for pakoda. So now we are going to pour this. So look at this. So cook this pakoda for 1 to 2 minutes, or till it will or until this will cook nicely, and just do this. This cabbage pakoda won't take too much time, it will cook really fast. Make sure you will cook on medium flame. So look at this, it got a nice color, and this is done actually. So take out this. Sorry. So take this out. Let's try one. This is so good. This is nice and crispy. Have this with evening tea. Do try this, and share your comments and suggestions, and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, stay happy and healthy.